Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check the OS build and the app source, and note the app version so you can match fixes. Once done, back up app data or create a restore point. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Make sure developer options or unknown sources are enabled only for the duration of the repair, because leaving them on increases risk. Now proceed to inspect the app signature and permissions. This is the first actionable verification step to locate the verification failure. Next, you tackle the complex middle steps. Check for a signature mismatch by comparing the app's signature hash against the expected value, because a bad signature causes the cannot verify error. If mismatched, reinstall from the official store or re-sign the APK with a trusted certificate. This restores trust. Then reset app permissions and clear cache and data to remove corrupted state. Make sure to revoke any suspicious permissions and re-grant only what the app legitimately needs before proceeding. To finish, reboot the device and test launching the app while watching for verification messages. This confirms whether fixes worked. If the error persists, capture detailed logs and roll back to your backup or contact the vendor with the log excerpt, because developers can pinpoint signature or manifest issues. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose verification logs briefly to get exact failure lines, then disable them to avoid log bloat. Finally, verify app behavior and revoke any temporary settings you enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.